Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Sims 4 mods not working after an update quickly and easily. After an update, custom content and mods can stop working because the game disables them by default. First, open Sims 4, go to Game Options, then click on Other, and make sure Enable Custom Content and Mods is checked. Also check Script Mods Allowed if your mods require it. Next, restart the game to apply these settings. Now, go to your Mods folder in the Sims 4 directory and remove any outdated or incompatible mods, as they can cause conflicts. You can also update your mods by downloading the latest versions from the creators. After that, clear the cache folder in your Sims 4 installation to remove old data. Finally, launch the game again, and your mods should be working properly, letting you enjoy all your custom content without issues after the update. Subscribe the channel for more videos.